Okay guys, we are about to do something very exciting. We got collaboration with a jet ski company, so we had 3 jet skis for 2 hours and we are creating video for them. That's one fun job for us. Good way to start the morning. Yeah, love driving jet skis. Beautiful day, beautiful place, 3 jet skis. Woo! I'm also releasing later YouTube membership or Patreon or something where I teach how I get collaborations with companies like jet skis and boats and stuff and hotels, and how to work with brands and how to grow your social accounts and everything regarding this business I'm doing, so stay tuned for that. So basically guys, this day of working for us has been driving jet skis and taking drone and camera footage for them, and then managing some brand collaborations with emails, and now we are here at the beach taking some photos for brands over there, and now we are here just chilling. After the photos we got some sick photos, so I'm just feeling so happy to be here after successful work day, after successful content, and now just enjoying this beach and this weather and this sunset. Friday I'm going for a helicopter ride, so there's lots of exciting things happening right now in Tenerife. But anyways, it has been a sick day and hopefully there's many of these days coming within the next 1.5 weeks. We are still here. This one rock with water coming out of it, and maybe it's coming now. Yeah, that one.